Kitty Play! Yay! Hi everybody, we're opening up Series 1. We're opening up Fun Park and Series 1 Little Pets. And a cat, open up! Fluffy Catson and Kitty Von Grey Cat. So let's get opening. What's open? So we got them open now. Let's see if their heads twist. Their heads twist, but they don't bobble. That's so cute. Now let's get opening the big one. Yeah! We're opening at Fun Park, Jibby Chow, 1 pet. Let's get opening this part up. So we got the whole set out of the way, and something just popped out. It's a little thing with this thing, and now it's pop this pet open. First, we're going to have to get the box out of here, like this. Now we're going to just rip this part off, and now we're going to get this part open. There's a little rubber band there. Here's her little bed. She likes to ride on it. So let's get this open. Get this girl out. Here she is. She looks so cool. She's like my first pink pet I think I got. And she's looking at this side. Like looking over there. And look at her pink tail and her pink bottoms. And doesn't that look like a mask on her face? She's I think the first pink pet. Isn't she adorable? Since we got all the pieces out, this is all of them and our instructions. And we're going to do this, and then we'll show you at the end with our character and these and our stickers. And they're kind of like waterish because it's so watery, kind of like. Look at these deco bits. Look how much they are. That's so much. But let's get building now so you can see them all on. What's really cool about the set, because this goes down like this, and it comes like that. And if you guys see, there's like a hole there, but this one doesn't want to go in right now. So when I spin them, they didn't want to go there. What's cool about this thing is when you let go, it just swings down like that. It's a zip line. And we built the set, and this guy just zoomed down. And then look, you get that little twirl, and it comes down. And this guy just slipped down without us knowing. So you just hang it up there, and then you give it a little touch, and it goes. And this on the zip line, but the thing I don't like about it is this again. It's plastic and it's flimsy. So yeah, let's just go over here. Here's the little thing. We go gently across the thing. And there, comes back. And I wanted to show you one with one of these. This little character. We put it through here, and then it ends up right there. But what I don't really like about it is when you put your LPS through here, you can't really like stick your hand through if you're like doing a video, and then it comes out falling. That's what I don't really like. But this set's cool. So you could also make a slide about that, I think. And what's cool about it, it's translucent. And my favorite part is the zip line, because you just put it up here with one of your characters and you give it a touch and it goes down zooming. The zip line's really cool, but I wanted to tell you this. This set, when I opened, you can attach it to the others. See, on here, look. if you had any of these sets, you could attach them. Like I could attach this to this, and then I could attach this to this, and then and then we could do the zip line all the way up to here instead. Isn't that cool, you guys? So that's what I like about this set, pretty much, and this set right there. And I hope you like this set, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please like and subscribe. Bye! I hope you watch more videos.